tortilla wraps. Done with the class. Guys, I came to park straight after my Pilates because आजकल मेरा steps बिल्कुल भी complete नहीं हो रहे. So I thought at least 1000 steps करके I will go to a coffee shop. And you know what guys, अभी winter के time है. So I'm seeing people here in park with their बैचेस लेके इतने अच्छे से यहाँ बैठा है. They having something like a meal and all, and it's so good guys. Like I wanted to do this winter में. मैं बहुत टाइम से प्लान कर रही थी कि मैं विंटर में ऐसे ही जाऊँगी पार्क में. Every time I'll go to park, every day I'll go to park, but now I'm all alone, तो you know इतना नहीं जा रहे. But I think I should consider this like coming to park. Good morning guys, it's a new day, so let's just say that it's a beautiful day. I'm doing the intro now because now I am fully awake. I have my latte here. I got it from Blue Tokai. Blue Tokai is one of my favorite coffee shop. I love everything about them. And also I got myself coffee. This is freshly grinded. I wanted to try a new flavor this time, so it's blueberry, milk chocolate and fruity. I don't know कैसा होगा. I got it just because वहाँ blueberry लिखा था and smell was थोड़ा सा new to me. So yeah, smell is really new. इसका bitterness बहुत low है, acidity medium high है, roast level light है. So yeah, I got this one. Let's see कि ये कैसा होगा, but I'll try it tomorrow. आज तो मैं try नहीं कर पाऊँगी because I am already having a cup of coffee. और जब भी मैं ऐसे बाहर जाती हूँ ना, like कैफ़े हो गया, coffee shops हो गया, I don't get Americano that often because मेरे को लगता है कि अमेरिकानो इतना आसान है बनाने के लिए और पैसा ऐसे ही वेस्ट जा रहे हैं. So I like to have latte. I like latte when it's not sweet. So yeah, this is the perfect latte. मैंने सोचा कि मैं ब्रेकफास्ट भी वहीं कर लेती हूँ, बट आई वॉज लाइक लेट्स मेक समथिंग घर में ही. तो काफ़ी टाइम हो गया मैंने घर में ना ऐसा पैनकेक नहीं खाया है और नहीं बनाया है. सो लेट्स मेक दैट टुडे एंड आई एम एक्साइटेड बिकॉज आई हैव ऑल द इंग्रेडिएंट्स आई थिंक. It's been a while since I last vlogged, so let me give you all an update कि मैं क्या कर रही थी. I have been looking for apartments यहाँ वहाँ हर जगह. I'm looking for 2 BHK का apartment. Even though I live alone, मेरे को चाहिए एक space ताकि मैं एक room डायरेक्ट से store room बना दूँ. And I want space in my apartment basically क्योंकि ये जो apartment है इसमें बहुत कम storage है. So I've been looking for so many apartments पर मेरे को नहीं मिल रहे 2 BHK मेरा budget में और अच्छा वाला. So I am going to go look for 1 BHK today and I have been apartment hunting all alone. और आज भी मैं जाऊँगी एक apartment देखने के लिए. So yeah, I think I'll go now only. मैं नहीं चाहती हूँ कि इतना लेट हो जाए because I'm going all alone है ना. So it's not that safe. So yeah, let's go for apartment hunting. Guys, I just came back from apartment hunting and I didn't really like it, so I need to go again some other day. और जब मैं लौट रही थी ना तब मेरी दीदी ने मेरे को कहा कि come for matcha, she is going to treat me and I don't want to say no to matcha, so yeah, let's go. Guys, let me quickly show you all ki what I applied on my face क्योंकि Nykaa Pink Friday sale चल रहा है. So I am going to tag some product for you all. You all can check it out. It's not sponsored. I just wanted to show you all ki what I apply on daily basis. So this is the tinted sunscreen which you guys have seen me applying it like zillion times. This is my second bottle by the way. It's so good. Shades थोड़ा कम है but if you have same shade as me then you can apply porcelain. That's really good. That suits my skin tone. And here is the next one which is a gloss. It's from Maybelline. Look at the shade guys, it looks so pretty. And I applied this blush. This is again from Maybelline. It's the matte blush, Sun Kisser matte blush. Sun Kisser matte blush. And here is the perfume which is so good. You all should definitely try this out. Itna long lasting nahi hai but the smell is so good. I love the smoky scent guys. It's smoking vanilla. I'll tag everything. You guys can check it out. And now I need to go fatafat se. I need to book my Uber also. So yeah, let's get going. I am all ready.
I should slow down, take it easy. I just keep on staring at my phone. Yeah, my head's spinning, heart's racing, knowing that you could give me a call. I lay awake at night because all I seem to think about is you. Fuck, I don't know what to do. Do I want this too much? I know I have burned you once before. You can chew me up and spit me out if you don't wanna see me anymore. But I just wanna try because all that I can think about is you. And I don't know what to do.
Guys, I'm back to my apartment and I am so dehydrated. Guys, I came by auto as always क्योंकि मेरे को motion sickness होता है. And you know what guys, जब भी मैं ऑटो से आती हूँ ना then I feel so grateful. एक तो मैं गाना सुन के आती हूँ तो I don't know, बहुत mixed emotions आते हैं. Like today I was feeling so grateful that I have people here in Delhi like my cousins. You know, it's always so fun with them. So I was just thinking कि yeah, I should be so grateful that I have my people here in Delhi. घर से इतना दूर but also my people ऐसा. So I just wanted to share it. हमेशा change होते रहते हैं guys. Like I think about a lot of stuff because I am an overthinker. But वही है, आज का thought यही था. So I thought I'll share this with you all. Little things, but you know it matters a lot. I hope you guys are getting it. Okay, so now I am going to fresh up and I'm going to do some work. उसके बाद I'll make myself dinner and yeah, I need to do my regular routine क्योंकि कल भी मेरा Pilates है. So yeah, let's get the work done.
party's over. That. But I bet you don't know anything.
Guys, I just showered. That's why I am not feeling that cold. Let's make dinner, and I am going to make tortilla wraps. Just kidding. Tortilla. यहाँ लिखा है tortilla, but my sister ने कहा कि it's pronounced as tortilla. So let's make this. ये ना मैंने काफ़ी टाइम से लेके रखा था. And the reason why I didn't make this earlier is because यहाँ लिखा है कि 48 hours के अंदर में you have to complete it. And I'm like, how am I going to complete this many, right? Because I live alone. तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं 2 दिन के लिए लगातार ये खाऊंगी. लगातार मैं ये खाऊंगी. So let's make this. And I'm very conscious क्योंकि ना मेरा जो अपार्टमेंट है उसमें मेरा पड़ोसी भी मेरा बातें सुन सकता है. And let me also show you all something. I got chili oil also, and this one I got it from Safdarjung. You'll get it in any Asian stores. And you know what? This is my favorite chili oil. But मैं ये इतना ज़्यादा लेके नहीं आती हूँ मेरे अपार्टमेंट में क्योंकि अगर ये एक बार खुल जाता है ना तो I can't stop eating, guys. So this is the one. It looks like this. You guys can take screenshot. Yeah, I'll also tag it, but I don't know कि safely आएगा या नहीं, so you guys can check it out. And I have paneer also, so let's make it now. I don't know कैसे बनेगा, but we'll see that. Let's see कि ये कैसा बना है. ये टूट गया है guys. Like look at this. But it's fine. I'll eat it. I like it crispy only. Okay, but ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही मैंने तवा में रख दिया था. Next time I'll keep it for lesser time. I feel like this is going to be amazing because there's everything that I like. My favorite chili oil, paneer, lettuce. Very simple, just the way I like it. So let's give it a try. I was planning to make something like khichdi, pulao aisa, but I went out already and I ate one burger, so I'm having this because I'm not that hungry, and I also want to save some space for dessert because I want to make something with marshmallow and Biscoff biscuits, so we'll see that. I have some Biscoff and I also have dark chocolate and I also have marshmallow. So let's make Biscoff marshmallow toast. I don't know. That's what ChatGPT is saying. So let's make it. It looks like this, guys. ये finally एक दूसरे के साथ चिपक गया है. It's nice, guys, but I don't like it not sweet, so I don't think I'll be able to finish it. So I was just writing my to-do list for tomorrow. Tomorrow is 26th of November. So मैंने यहाँ लिखा है wake up early, go to Pilates, film shorts, healthy meal, this that, you know, everything I've written here. जो भी मेरे को कल करना है, like जैसे कि I have to film some videos tomorrow, तो मैंने वो भी यहाँ लिखा है. And you know why writing to-do list is so important? क्योंकि on your daily basis ना, तो आप मतलब जब भी ऐसा routines करते हो तो आपको ऐसा feel नहीं होता है कि मैंने आज कुछ किया है ऐसा टाइप का. So when you write it down and when you tick it off ना, तो आपको बहुत अच्छा फील होता है कि या I did something today ऐसा, no matter कितना भी छोटा चीज़ है क्यों ना हो. So writing to-do list is very important for me. This makes my day so productive. So I would recommend you all also. So okay, so now let me tell you all कि आज का मेरा दिन कैसा था. It was quite a productive day as you guys saw. और आजकल मैं थोड़ा सा जल्दी भी उठने लगी हूँ, which is a very good thing क्योंकि दिन बहुत लंबा लगने लगता है and I do a lot of stuff also. So yeah, that was so fun. Oh my god. And you know what guys, going out is so important. There are days like I don't go out, right? I'm a homebody, मेरे को घर बैठना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. But then I force myself to go out क्योंकि जब मैं घर में ज़्यादा बैठती हूँ ना तो मेरा माथा इतना ज़्यादा काम करता है कि मैं क्या ही बोलूँ. I tend to overthink everything. और ऐसा भी नहीं कि मैं अच्छा overthink करती हूँ, मैं बुरा overthink करती हूँ. So it's so important to go out. It's so important कि आप अपना loved ones लोगों से मिले. You know, so I would highly recommend you all to go out also. Now आप खुद ही देख लो कि if you're not feeling good ना, तो आप एक बार खुद से पूछो कि when did I last go out with my friends, तब आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा. And I think मेरे को इसलिए भी अच्छा लगा आज का दिन because I completed my 10K steps after a really long time. अगर आप लोग यहाँ काफ़ी टाइम से हैं मेरे चैनल में तो आप लोगों को पता होगा कि I used to do 10K steps. I did for like 3 months I think, I don't know, but अभी छूट गया है guys, मैं क्या ही करूँ. So yeah, जब से पिलाटेस जा रही हूँ तब से मेरा वॉक छूट गया है, but I want to continue it. और आज काफ़ी टाइम बाद मेरा 10K steps हुआ, so I'm happy about that. And I met my cousins also. It's always so fun with them. And yeah, did a lot of stuff also. So yeah, that makes me feel so happy. And now I am going to watch something and I'll sleep क्योंकि I need to wake up early again. कल भी it has become a routine guys. ऐसा भी नहीं कि मैं 6 बजे उठती हूँ हमेशा. I wake up around 8 AM. और जब भी मैं ये कहती हूँ लोगों को like I wake up around 8 AM ऐसा जब भी मैं वीडियोस में कहती हूँ तो आप लोग ऐसा कहते हैं कि गोम 8 AM is not early. It is early here in Delhi. दिल्ली में मॉल्स 11 बजे खुलते हैं, कॉफ़ी शॉप्स 11 बजे खुलते हैं. So yeah, it is early here in Delhi. And let me also show you all my मफलर जो मैंने निट किया है फॉर माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड. ये मैं दूंगी क्रिसमस के टाइम में. थोड़ा सा फिनिशिंग बाकी है, आई मीन सब कुछ हो गया है ओके, बट ऐसा साइड का काटना है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू डू नाउ ओनली. मैंने जो लाल वाला स्कार्फ बनाया था ना वो अलग डिज़ाइन में था एंड दिस इज इन अनदर डिज़ाइन. आई लाइक दिस डिज़ाइन गाइस, इट्स सो गुड. हम तेरे एलेक्सा. And yeah, that is it for this video guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. अगर आपने वीडियो एंड तक देखा है then please don't forget to comment this emoji ताकि मेरे को पता चले कि you guys have watched till the end. And yeah, comment anything using this emoji, okay? So I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Till then, take care and good night.
তোমার মরম খরা লাহনি মুখনি খড়ল মনা মরমে বিছৰা হিয়াৰে লগৰ